everybody, welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm going to tell you about my top 10 reasons why I think that you should go to Moxi Skate Camp. What is Moxi Skate Camp? Well, you can watch this video where I take you through what happens at Moxi Skate Camp West, or you can keep watching because I'm about to tell you in a 10 reason explanation just what it's about and why it is so worth it. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you love roller skating, or if you've been secretly wanting to join the roller skating community and you don't know where to find other roller skaters, here's the place. So hit subscribe and click that notification bell because I put out new videos every week and lots of roller skaters come and hang out in the comments. So make friends in the comments. And if you want to support this channel, head on over to cheerstothequeers.com and get some cute roller skate accessories or cool stuff there. Okay, now that we've gotten all that over with, here are the 10 reasons why I think that you should go to Moxi Roller Skate Camp this year. Moxi Skate Camp tickets just dropped this morning, and so I was like, oh my gosh, I've got to tell the people because it is way more amazing than I would have thought it was going to be. I went for the first time to Moxi Skate Camp last year, and honestly, it blew me away, and I cannot wait to go again this year. So, reason number one why I think you should go to Moxi Skate Camp is because all of the classes that are offered. When you look at the Moxi Skate Camp schedule when it's released, you'll see that there are literally classes for everything your heart could dream of to learn. There are dance skating classes, there are ramp classes, there are vert classes, there are flip classes, there's stretching classes. Like, there's so many different classes for so many different things, and anything you can think of that you want to learn, whether it's street, whether it's park, whether it's flat ground skating, you can learn it at Moxi Skate Camp. There are things that I went to Moxi Skate Camp and I didn't even think I wanted to learn, and then I was like, wait, I think I do want to learn that, and I was able to take a class on it. And there's just not really that many places where you have the opportunity to go and just take so many classes all in one weekend. I took so many classes. I tried to fit in as many classes as I could, and it was wild, and my body was like, what are you doing? But then at the end, I was like, look at all this cool stuff that I learned in one weekend. That alone makes it worth the money to go, because it's like, in order to get that kind of experience, otherwise you'd have to hire all these people and gather them together. It's just like, Moxi Skate Camp, it's honestly where it's at. Which brings me to number two, and the second reason why I think that you should go to Moxi Skate Camp is because Moxi Skate Camp brings together all of these high-level coaches that will teach you roller skating and different tricks and different styles of skating and all this sort of stuff in one location. So there are not many places where you're going to see people from all over the United States, and sometimes from different countries as well, who come to Moxi Skate Camp just to teach. So you're getting to see all of these people getting coached by these incredible coaches all in one place. And Moxi even takes suggestions for people that you want to teach. So if you know of someone, because I know a couple people at Moxi. If you know a coach or you want to see a certain coach be at Moxi Skate Camp, go ahead and put them down in the comments below, and I'll sneak that list over to Moxi and add it to their list of references of coaches that they'll reach out to and potentially have teach at Moxi Skate Camp. I feel like at this point it's very important that you know that there's not just like someone snoring in the back of my video, but that it is Bowie. And he's just sleeping, and that's okay. So I figured I'd put him in this video. Okay, so number three, the third reason why I think you should go to Moxi Skate Camp is because you get access to Woodward. Whether it's Woodward West or Woodward East, having access to that facility, it is like a roller skater's paradise. Like, it is a skate park paradise. It is incredible. There are so many, like any sort of skate park, anything that you can dream of is at Woodward. Like, I'm always looking for these different things. You go to Woodward, there are ledges of every height. There's little things, there's big things, there's things in between. There's every type of ramp, every type of course, any type of object you can dream of. They have it there at Woodward. And oftentimes there is, I think at Woodward, there's a mega. And so there's huge ramps, and there's bowls, and there's outdoor stuff and indoor stuff. And it's just like, honestly, it's unbelievable. And it's kind of like, how am I going to skate on all of this stuff? I don't know. Like, there's no way that I can accomplish all of the skating that I want to do this weekend. I don't think I can do it, but you're going to try, and it's going to be awesome. At Woodward East, there's a snake run, and it's really scary and exciting. And I totally just fell flat on my face, and it was awesome, and I loved it. Number 4, the 4th reason why I think you should go to Moxi Skate Camp is because you are gonna make friends. There is no question about it. If you are looking to make roller skate friends, going to Moxi Skate Camp is a fabulous way to make friends, because everyone there is looking for friends, because we're roller skaters and we want other roller skate friends. You get to bunk in cabins with other people. You get to take classes with other skaters. You get to meet skaters who are like-minded, who live near you. There are lots of times when we think that there's no one who skates that lives near us, and then you go to a camp like that and you realize that there are definitely skaters that live near you and that you could meet up with and skate with, and that unification process often happens at Moxi Skate Camp. I love being able to meet other skaters. I love making new skate friends, and I do think that skate friends is honestly what makes the skate community itself so awesome and what makes skating so incredible. So come to Moxi Skate Camp and make some skate friends. Number 5 is the fact that it is literally an adult sleepaway camp. So I don't know about you, but I have some very fond memories of going to like sleepaway camp as a kid. And I just think that the idea of sleepaway camp, while it is wonderful and amazing for kids, like, I'm jealous. Like, I literally want to go to more sleepaway camps, and Moxi Skate Camp gives that opportunity to you. You get to go to a camp, hang out with your friends all night, stay up late, do whatever you want. I mean, obviously within reason, but like, hang out with your friends and just like skate all day and then talk all night and do whatever you want and then wake up and do it again the next day. Like, can life get better? I don't think it can. Like, I want Moxi Skate Camp for all week. I want Moxi Skate Camp for a month, although my body would be so mad at me. But I want Moxi Skate Camp every day, but you can't have it. You can only have it for a weekend. But that weekend is like this magical little bubble of amazingness. And so going to a sleepaway camp as an adult and being like, I'm a kid, I'm at camp, yeah, and it's totally acceptable, that's another reason why you should go to Moxi Skate Camp. Right now, Moxi Skate Camp is only at Moxi Skate Camp East, so it's at Woodward East and then also at Woodward West. Are there other places that you would like to have Moxi Skate Camp? If there are, put it down in the comments below, and I will also, again, sneak that list over to my friends at Moxi, or make them look at it. Make them watch this video. Watch this video, Moxi. And then they'll be able to put together a list, and maybe in the future, Moxi Skate Camp can be more places with more people. That'd be amazing. I'm not promising anything. This is made up in my own mind. Number 6, the reason why I think you should go to Moxi Skate Camp is because you get to meet a lot of the skaters that inspire you. Now, if you're anything like me, when you're on social media and you're watching other people skate, you gain a lot of inspiration from them. I get a lot of inspiration from watching skaters do tricks, do just regular things, watching skaters overcome their fears, watching skaters just like go wild and do the most amazing tricks ever. I gain inspiration from watching someone who is just working really hard and finally nails a trick. Those people that inspire you on the daily to skate, or inspire you to try inviting other friends into skating, or have just inspired you through your skating process, a lot of those people are going to be at Moxi Skate Camp. Ever wanted to meet Estrogen? They're at Moxi Skate Camp. Ever wanted to meet Shove? there at Moxi Skate Camp. So many of the people who inspire you are going to be at Moxi Skate Camp, and there's no better place to meet someone that you admire than a place where it's super chill and relaxed and you're all just skating together and it's totally normal. It doesn't feel weird or awkward if you walk up to someone and you're like, I really like you. Like, it's not weird. It's just like, yeah, and I really like you. And that's awesome. And you could take a picture with them or do whatever, or like hang out with them and skate with them. Like, that's such a cool opportunity. And not all the time will the people that you follow online be in person near you. So that's awesome. And I think that's awesome. That leads me into number 7 as to why I think you should go to Moxi Skate Camp. And that is because it is experiencing the skate community in real life, in real time. So many of us spend a lot of time experiencing the skate community online. And the skate community online is awesome. Obviously, I love it here. I'm always here. But there's this beautiful magical element to being in the skate community in real life, in real time, and skating with this huge group of roller skaters. You get to experience what the vibe of being surrounded by a crap ton of roller skaters is like hundreds of roller skaters and you. And there's an energy like no other. Like, there is a buzz, and you just being around so many people that you can relate to in such a deep way, and that you understand their lifestyle and they understand you. It's just something, like, honestly, I cannot explain it more than you just have to experience it. Like, it is an amazing experience, and feeling that is so inspiring, and it is so like touching, and it feels real, and it makes you feel energized, and I love that. Number 8 is tie-dye. Have you ever wanted to tie-dye all of your cute white clothes? Or have you ever wanted to get a camp shirt and then go and tie-dye it with a bunch of your friends? Well, the Moxi Skate Camps have tie-dye. There's like a whole tie-dye station. It's awesome. You can tie-dye whatever you want, and all the tie-dye supplies are provided for you. And you just tie-dye your little heart away, and there are people there to support you. The last year at Moxi Skate Camp, I ran the tie-dye booth, and it was so fun, and we just like tie-dyed all the things, and we learned different tie-dye techniques, and then you went home with this original, one-of-a-kind tie-dye souvenir, shirt, bag, whatever, and I just really like crafts, so I had to make that as one of them. Like, honestly, getting all this stuff to tie-dye yourself and then just like doing it by yourself is not half as fun as tie-dyeing with a group of people and like at a camp, and then you have this memory, and it's so beautiful. And that, I think, also makes it feel like real camp too, tie-dyeing something. Number 9, the 9th reason why I think you should go to Moxi Skate Camp is because of the parties. And what I mean by parties is there's a bonfire, there are cute little dance parties, there are things to do at night with each other that unites the community even more, and just you have fun. So you're dancing, you're skating. Last year, like, we were just like skating and dancing around the big area in Woodward, and there were lights and there was music, and it's just so joyous, and honestly, it's a bop. It's a total banger, and it's really fun, and you don't want to miss out on it. So I definitely think that you should also go to Moxi Skate Camp because of the parties. And finally, the 10th reason why I think that you should go to Moxi Skate Camp is because Moxi Skate Camp, when you go there, you are filled with this magical power of roller skating, and you're like super excited because you're around all these people who are supporting you and cheering you on, and you're cheering other people on, and it just feels so like energetic. When you leave, like, you leave with this inspiration to go and skate and to go and do things and to build things in your skate community and to keep pushing at tricks, and like you see things that inspire you, and you see people that you're like, I want to skate with them or like them. Like, you get this inspiration from going to Moxi Skate Camp that is, I have not gotten that inspiration from anywhere else. Like, that inspiration is so, I think, potent and so powerful and so meaningful. Like, being surrounded by a huge group of skaters who are all supporting you is a feeling that, like, you can't simulate that. Like, You can't simulate having a bunch of people cheer you on as you do something for the first time, or you accomplish something, or you fall and you totally don't get it and everyone's still like supporting you and they're like, look at this gnarly like video I got of you, and you're like, yeah. And like, I don't know, it's such a meaningful experience that it will carry through with you for years to come, for months, for weeks. Like, that's gonna carry with you for a long time. I know that my experiences that I had still ring so true, and they're so visceral to me in my heart, and I just feel like it's totally worth it. So I know that Moxi Skate Camp is expensive. Like, when I first was gonna go to Moxi Skate Camp, there were years that I didn't go because I was like, there is no way in hell that I can afford that. Like, that is out of control expensive. But then when you break it down and you realize that for the amount of money that you're paying, I don't remember exactly how much money it is, but for the amount of money you're paying, you're getting room and board, you're getting fed, you're getting endless amounts of lessons from top tier coaches from all over the globe, and you're getting access to a world-class training facility that has every kind of option for skating possible. It's like, oh, okay, I guess that does make sense that it does cost that amount of money, but I don't know, like, I wish that I had figured it out years before and just gone, but I didn't. But I'm now going to figure it out and like go to Moxi Skate Camp all the time, because it literally changed my whole perspective, and it like gave me such vivaciousness, and honestly, it's an experience you don't want to miss. So if you have the opportunity to go to Moxi Skate Camp, I think you should get some tickets. I think you should go to Moxi Skate Camp. I think it will be fully worth your while, and I hope that I get to meet you there. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are going to Moxi Skate Camp, put it down in the comments below. And if you have any other questions, put it down in the comments below and I will try and answer them. And if I don't know how to answer them, I'll make sure to answer them. Awesome. Don't forget to head on over to cheerstothequeers.com, where you can buy things to support my cute little business and this YouTube channel. And most importantly, cheers to the queers!